Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy here, Dr. T, Dr. TT, Dr. Tamim, again with another video straight from you guys, Ethiopians. You know, I keep digging with Teddy Afro music, so I just found another music from Teddy Afro. It's new for me and it's not suggested to any person. It's me digging in and find out this music. You know, I don't want to talk much. I don't want to waste your time. I don't want to lose the vibe. You know what? Let's go straight to the music. And the music is of today, it's Teddy Afro. You know what? Let's go to the video. What's that? Is that the Is that the Muslim voice? Teddy Afro. Teddy Afro by himself. Leave the meaning of the music, leave the comment with the meaning of the music, short meaning of the music. Nice, nice. Yeah. Wait, why she died? Okay. Is that the king? On to know the story. Please leave the comment. That's the story in this music. I really want to know Please leave the comment. I want to know the story
Sabli
Damn.
ተሸፍና ዋርካ ከልሏት የዛፍተ የትነበር ያረኩት ከፎይ ስኖሬ ንብተከት የባይ ጎጃም ሙራሪ.
The music is really good, but I really know nothing. But I really want to know the meaning of the whole story of the music. ሰው አይድንም በደገመው መጽሐፍ እንደ ሰማይ ፍቅር ካረገው ጧፍ ለካ ሰው አይድንም በኦሪቱ ገድል ወንጌል ይዞ መጥቶ ፍቅር ካረገ ማር ሲገባ ገደል ድንጋይ ተንተርሶ ጧፉም እንደምናኙት ቢጨርሱ ወንጌል መነኮሱ በልጅነታቸው ማር እስከ ጧፉ ነው ዓለም ቢነዳቸው. አንቺ ፍቅር ትኬ ወደንሽ በጣም መምጣቴ ነው በቃ ምን ያቃተኛውን አዲስ ዓለም ሆነ ባንቺ ስልወጣየ እድል ሆንና ባጣሽ ተሰቃየው ማርጧፉነ ማርጧፉነ ማሬ ማሬ ጎጃምራ ማሬ 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 ጎጃምራ ማሬ ማሬ ጎጃምራ ማሬ ማሬ ጎጃምራ ያቺ ወንጌል ቢጫ ለብሳ ከእንግዲህማ ቆማስትዬ እንዳልወስዳት አባብዬ ሰብልዬ ናትማወዬ ሰብልዬ ናትማወዬ ሰብላለም ወንጃውገዳ ሰብያጃም ጎማሾይገዳ ጎማሾይገዳ
ካሳና ሰብለ በተገናኙ በ15ኛው ቀን የልብ በሽታዋ ተነሳባትና እንደ ልማዷ ወደቀች። ነገር ግን ዳግም አልተነሳችም።
You know, Teddy Afro, I dig music. I find a music from Teddy Afro. I didn't expect anything good like this. At the same time, I don't know anything about the story. I'm seeing the pictures, but I don't know the story about it. So please leave the comment and tell me what the story of this music. But there's a mixed of something shoulder dancing, Ethiopian dancing. Yeah, it's amazing for me. It's really amazing, and I love it. I love it a lot. So the music is really good. The music is not that bad. It's good as usual. Teddy Afro. I'm the big fan of Teddy Afro, so any music from Teddy Afro, it's good for me. But this is good. Yeah, this is good. I like it. Again, thank you so much for watching my video. It's about here, Dr. T, Dr. TT, Dr. Tamim. See you to the next reaction video, and ciao.